Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2-Step. With today I'm here with another new video to show you guys how you can log in into your TD bank account. To do so, just follow some simple steps that I will show you on this video, and then you can log into your bank account as well. First of all, just open up your Google browser and then go into your search bar and just type for TD Bank login and hit on enter. After you do so, mirror results will now pop up on your screen. Click on the link that says TD Bank Online Banking, and this will take you to the official login site of the TD Bank directly. Here you can see it has loaded up on my screen. Now after it has loaded up on your screen, you can just input your personal details and just continue to your bank account. Input your username and your password, but in case you forgot your username or password, you can use this button below to help you reset and retrieve it. And here's a remember me box as well. You can tick this box if you are using your private computer, but I would not recommend you doing so if you are using your public computer. Now after inputting your username and password, just hit on login and then you'll be logged in into your TD Bank account. And that's how you can log in into your TD Bank account. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews, and for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.